Most of us have at least 2 to 3 different foods in a meal, don't we? So, do these different foods have different purposes? Do we need each food in different or same amounts? Watch this video to know the answer to these questions. Welcome to Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal and nourish. To get notified about our latest videos, turn on the notifications next to the subscribe button. Nutrients are the different components of food that our body needs for proper functioning. The nutrients that our body needs in larger quantities are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are called macronutrients. The nutrients that our body needs in smaller quantities are vitamins and minerals, which are also called micronutrients. I will make a separate video on micronutrients. For today's video, let us concentrate on macronutrients, fiber, and water. A lot of you might remember these terms from school. A food can have one or more of these nutrients present in it. But in any food, one particular nutrient is present in larger quantities than in other foods. For example, milk has more protein content than rice. Carbs, that is carbohydrates, are the quickest source of our energy. Most bodily functions, including thinking and digestion, need energy. Carbs are found in sugars and starches like whole grains, potatoes, fruits, maize, sugarcane, and most other foods. Fats, like carbs, provide us with energy, but in a larger quantity than carbs. They are stored in our body and help protect cells, cushion organs, send hormonal signals in the body, and fulfill body's energy needs when it is low on energy. Fats can be obtained from plant sources like vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, groundnuts, etc. and animal sources like ghee, butter, fish, eggs, and meat. Proteins are known as the building blocks of our body. Everything from cells to skin and hair are made up of protein. They help in our growth and healing. Proteins can be found in plant sources like pulses, beans, nuts, seeds, peas, tofu, etc. and animal sources like milk, curd, fish, eggs, and meat. Apart from these macronutrients, our body also needs a lot of fiber and water. Fiber, also known as roughage, is the indigestible component of food. It makes the food stay in the stomach longer, which keeps us feeling full. They also help with easy bowel movement. Although they don't provide us with any nutrients, they do help with their absorption. They are mainly found in unrefined foods like whole wheat, unpolished and brown rice, fruits, vegetables, etc. Refined and processed foods like white rice, maida, fruit juices, candies, and such lack fiber. Water needs an honorable mention here. It hydrates the body, moisturizes the skin, loosens the stool, removes waste from body as urine and sweat, eliminates fatigue, and helps the body absorb nutrients from food. We get water from liquids and foods that we eat, like water, tea, milk, fruits, soups, and curries. In a separate video, I will talk about water therapy and the health benefits of water. The food we eat in a day is our diet. Our body needs all the nutrients in the right quantities to grow and maintain good health. A balanced diet is what fulfills this while also eliminating any chance of a deficiency. A balanced diet is basically a diet in which there is not too much or too little of any one food, and which contains the right amounts of fiber and water. What I do for a balanced meal is divide the plate into 4 equal sections and allot each section for grains, proteins, vegetables and fruits respectively. Our traditional Indian diet is a good example of a balanced diet. Most of us have roti or rice with some dal or sambar, some curd, sabzi and pickle. Although the food choices may vary from region to region, most meals still have the right amounts of carbohydrate, protein, fats, fiber and water. In comparison, most Western diets, even those so-called healthy pastas, pizzas and sandwiches are lacking in water content and proper nutrient combination. So friends, as a conclusion, please stick to your traditional diets. They will provide you with all the health you need as long as you don't overeat. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video with your loved ones if you found the video useful. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.